Hello everyone, welcome. I hope all of you are doing well and I am also good. This is my day 48 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. I hope this video useful to all of us. So, my name is Nikita and welcome to English World Easy. I hope all videos are useful to all of us. And today I am going to say to all of us some word so start. First of all, day, D-A-Y, day means din. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night means raat. T-O, two means say. W-I-T-H, with means start. And hour, H-O-U-R, hour means ghanta. Okay. And minute means minute. Hang on a minute. Example, 1 minute रुको. And evening means शाम. He means वह. She means वह, and use this for girls. She. Now means अब. Later, L-A-T-E-R, later means बाद में. And later means बाद में. Before, B-E-F-O-R-E, F-O-R-E, before means पहले. After, A-R-T-E-R, means बाद. And to, T-O, to means say, go. And F-R-O-M, from means say. Just like अब कहाँ से हो. Okay. Answer, I am from Chandigarh, I am from Jharkhand. Okay. And F-O-R, for means के लिए. What means क्या. Y, W-H-Y, Y means Q. And when, W-H-E-N, when means कब. And W-H-E-R-E, where means कहाँ. H-O-W, how means कैसे. W-H-Y, why means क्यों. W-H-O, who means कौन. And H-E-R-E, here means यहाँ. And T-H-E-R-E, there means वहाँ. Okay. So guys, this is the basic word meaning, and this is very important. And all beginners, this word meaning want to remember in your mind, because your conversation time need this word. Okay. So guys, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Meet to next video. Thank you. And if you like this video, then share and subscribe. That's all. Thank you.